Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. This is Cooking with Efia. Today I share with you this simple yet delicious Ghanaian street snack. This is spicy fried ripe plantain. You can also call it KELEWELE as we normally call it. It's very delicious and it's definitely a must try. If today been your first time on this channel, hello, welcome once again to my channel. Please do also subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. So for this recipe, I'm going to be using ripe plantain, just the way you see it on your screens right now. The ripe plantain should be very soft, and at the same time it shouldn't be very hard as well. It should be in between, and this is just perfect for me. So moving forward, I'll go ahead and introduce to you my natural ingredients. So I'm going to be blending some spring onions, rosemary, cloves. I'm also going to be using garlic as well, and for the pepper I'm going to be using both fresh and the dry one, so you can as well omit one if you don't want the two in your KELEWELE. All right, I'm also going to be using black peppercorns, Negro pepper, ginger, and some onions. So basically this is the natural ingredients that I'm going to be blending. So now let's set this aside and proceed to the next stage. Alright, so moving forward, I will start by creating some incisions on the plantain, and I'll peel off the skin from it just the way you see it on the screens right now. Very easy and perfect. And so I've washed this plantain as well, so kindly note it. Alright, so after peeling off the skin, I will divide the plantain into two, and for the half of the plantain I'll be cutting them into the shapes. You can as well go in with any other shapes that you want. We just don't have any systematic way of cutting this plantain. You just have to cut it the way you want it, just the way you see it on the screen right now. So now let's repeat the same process until we are done with everything. So whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my video, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after cutting the plantain into the desired shape, I'll go in with my blended natural spices or ingredients which I introduced to you earlier on. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some nutmeg and also salt to taste. I'll stir everything together until the ingredients marinate very well with the plantain. And don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything I use in the description box for you to check it out. And if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, please, what are you waiting for? Kindly do me a favor by subscribing, because it is absolutely free. Of course, it is absolutely free. So please do to subscribe. Also turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video on this channel, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after marinating the plantain, I'll keep it in the refrigerator to rest for about 1 hour for the ingredients to really infuse in the plantain very well. That is when you're going to really enjoy your KELEWELE very well, because we don't just add in the natural spices and you go ahead and fry it right away. It's not done that way. You just have to allow the natural spices to really incorporate with the plantain very well. Right, so after 30 to 1 hour, it should be ready, and you just have to go ahead and heat up some oil and begin to fry your KELEWELE until it's nice and golden brown and perfect. Remember to fry your KELEWELE on high heat, because you don't want the plantain to soak the oil, because we have a little bit of spices on it. So you just have to make sure to fry it on high heat so that you get a perfect outcome. So let's fry it until it's nice and ready. And at this point, the sweet aroma that was coming out from this was just marvelous. Just tell me why in the comment section why you don't want to try this recipe. This recipe is definitely a must try. Very easy to put together, and in less than 1 hour you have your delicious and spicy kelewele in no time. So after frying the kelewele for about 10 to 15 minutes, it is all done. As you can see, it's looking all good and just perfect. So now I'll remove this and repeat the same process until I am done with everything. Kelewele is mostly enjoyed with peanuts or granules. Say, Odin Katsi and the kelewele in a nice feeling altogether. Just trust the process and you are going to love it. But before that, let me know in the comment section what you think about this spicy fried ripe plantain or kelewele recipe. I hope you're going to give this recipe a try, and I will be waiting for you in the comment section to read all your beautiful comment down below. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel, also turn on the post notification bell as well, and be notified anytime I post a new video. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.